Your life.
Morning, Doug.
Good morning, Your Honor. Can you hear me okay?
Say again?
Can you hear me all right?
You're kind of faint. Can you hear me okay?
You sound perfect. Very good.
Okay, yeah, I'm not getting you that loud, but if you can hear me.
Is that any better, Your Honor?
You're still pretty faint, Doug. Can you hear me loud and clear?
You're coming through great. Absolutely fine. Just made another change. Does it sound any better?
I can barely hear. I mean, I can hear you, but just barely, Doug. I don't know if it's you or me though.
As long as you can hear me, it's okay. I'll speak loud.
Okay. Looks like you're logged in twice now, Doug.
Yeah, I tried to go out, but I'll come back in again. Give me a minute.
Morning, Mr. Tolson. Do you hear me okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Very good.
Great. Thank you, sir.
Your Honor? Your Honor, is this any better? Tell me.
I'm still getting you pretty faint. Mr. Tolson, are you hearing the court reporter okay?
I could hear him asking if we could hear him okay. So, yes, I do.
Okay. A little faint, though, or is it just me?
It was a little tiny bit faint. Matter of fact, I just pushed the volume up on my computer.
Okay. I got mine. I'm maxed out here. Let me see if it might be me. Hold on.
Hey, everybody.
Morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Bugelmans, can you hear me okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. San Martino, Mr. Davis?
Hey, you loud and clear, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. All right, are we all set, sir?
We're on the record, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Good morning, everyone. My name is Chuck McLean. I'm the Chief Public Utility Law Judge here at the Commission. Today is May 22nd, 2023. It's approximately 10 o'clock in the morning. We're here for a pre-hearing conference in case number 9694, which is captioned Kumquat and Citron Cleantech LLC's application for a certificate of public convenience and necessity to construct a 7.2 megawatt solar photovoltaic generating facility in Wacomico County, Maryland. We'll start with appearances. We'll start with the company.
Good morning, Your Honor. David Beaglemans on behalf of the applicant. I'd also like to enter the appearance of Mr. Maxwell Cook.
All right. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
PPRP.
Good morning, Your Honor. Steve Tolson, Assistant Attorney General for the Department of Natural Resources Power Plant Research Program. And I would also like to enter the appearance of Assistant Attorney General Sandra McLemore.
Thank you, sir. Mr. San Martino.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Sammartino, Assistant People's Counsel on behalf of the Office of People's Counsel.
Good morning, sir. And finally, staff.
Good morning, Your Honor. Hunter Davis on behalf of Office of Staff Counsel, and I will also be entering the appearance of Kenneth Albert, also Assistant Staff Counsel.
Thank you, sir. All right, Mr. Beaglemans,
Yes, Your Honor.
what do you have for us?
To begin, I have one exhibit to mark and enter.
Okay.
We could call that applicant exhibit 1. It's the certificate of publication for this pre-hearing conference filed on May 19th, 2023, consisting of 8 pages under mail log number 303031.
All right. It'll be marked as applicant exhibit 1. Any objection to moving that into the record?
No objections.
Seeing none, applicant 1 is admitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. And with that, we can move to the schedule. And we've worked with the parties. I have some dates to propose to you, if you'd like me to read them for the record.
Okay. For whatever reason, I'm hearing everyone, but it's a little faint. So I'll just ask everyone to speak. So I missed a little bit of what you said. I think you said you had a chance to discuss the schedule, sir.
I did. Is this better, Your Honor? I turned up the volume
It's
here.
a little. I think it's on my side. So,
Okay.
but yeah, if you could just keep your voice up, I'd appreciate it. That's why I'm a little bit closer here. But
Okay.
again, I think it's
Well,
me.
So yes, I worked with the parties, and we have dates to propose to you, so I could read them for the record. I'll
Excellent.
try to
Please
do it
do so.
loudly. The first date would be the first public comment hearing. We could do that on July 10th or July 11th, 2023. My understanding is both dates work for the parties.
I think either of those dates will work. Yeah, either of those dates are fine with me. So why don't we just go with the 10th?
Okay.
Okay, and we'll plan on doing that kind of how we've done it previously. We'll go virtual on the first one and in person for the second, unless someone has an objection to that. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. The next date would be the due date for the applicant's direct testimony. That would be due on July 18th, 2023.
Okay.
Next up, we would have the due date for PPRP staff and OPC direct testimony and conditions. That would be filed on October 30th, 2023.
All right. Very well.
Thank you, Your Honor. Next would be the second public comment hearing. That one would be in person, the week of November 6th, 2023, depending on availability and venue.
Okay. All right. We can figure that one out. I guess closer in time, I guess, obviously, depending on the location that you're able to secure, Mr. Beaglemans.
Sure. Thanks. Next up, Your Honor, would be the settlement status update to Your Honor. That would be due on November 10th, 2023.
Okay.
And then finally, the evidentiary hearing, if there's a settlement in this case, that would be November 14th, 2023.
November 14th. Okay. All right. That sounds acceptable to me. Any objections from any of the other parties? All right. Seeing some
Your Honor.
head shaking. All right. Very well. Anything else we need to discuss today, gentlemen?
I don't believe so.
All right. Thank you very much. I will get a schedule out shortly.
Right.
Appreciate everyone's time today, and enjoy the rest of your day, gentlemen.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Out here.
All right, we're off the record.
Bye, everybody.
Off the record, Your Honor. Thanks.